everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing great. And friends, as all of us, we already know that New Year has already come, 2025. So, what are your plans? What are your plans about this year? What are you going to achieve this year? Am I right? Well, talking about myself, I didn't make any resolution. Still, I'm going to tell you so many things which can change your life and which can give you immense happiness in your life. So, if you're also interested in making your life happy, then make sure that you're going to watch this video till the very end, because in this video, I'm going to share something which has given me unexpected happiness. And this year I did on the first day of this new year. What about you? What did you do? So let's check it out. Hey friends, all of us every new year we make lots of resolutions that I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. We make our very long list. In the initial day, like for 1 week, for 2 week, we always get motivated. We always get that motivation to be on the journey. But after some time, after some days, then the motivation as well as that inspiration just vanishes. Am I right now? Yes, this thing happens. Not only with you, I can really resonate with you. This thing happened with me. That's why, therefore, I didn't make any resolution this year. But one thing that I promised to myself, that whatever I will be doing this year, throughout this year, just to make me happy. I'm not going to give preference others as compared to me. No, no. For me, my happiness will be the first priority, later on everything. I will keep doing only those things which can give me happiness, because I don't want attract negative energies or negative thoughts let's come in my mind and to hurt my thoughts and everything. Not at all. That's why. And I have one question also I want to ask from you, from all my viewers and subscribers. What did you do? How did you celebrate your new year? I'm so excited. I'm so inquisitive to know about it. And I know that some of you must have celebrated just by cutting cakes and just celebrating, dance, using several ways. You must have celebrated. I have a secret. I didn't celebrate it. However, in my point of view, I have done the best thing. I have celebrated using the best way this year. You know why? Because in the morning itself, I did a good deed, and that my effort has given me that happiness, which a celebration can never give me. How? Just let me explain this. In the morning itself, when I was just sending messages to my relatives or friends related to wishing Happy New Year, I've come across a message from one of my subscribers. And even I have known him for a very long time, and he messaged me. He belongs to a very poor family and he is a YouTuber as well. I don't want to reveal about that person, so I just want to keep it secret. I just want to tell you. Okay, so he messaged me that he's suffering from some difficult situations are not according to um, his earning. Whatever he earns, it's not sufficient, and he belongs to a poor family. In COVID time, he was also living only on medication, so that's why he has spent all money on the medications and getting medicines or for all the treatment, and now he is totally run out of money. So hardly he earns money, and he is able to run his family, earn everything for his family. And he's a father of 3 kids, 2 daughters and 1 son, and his wife. So he asked me just a small amount. Even he didn't ask me any amount. So I thought, because I don't earn enough money, and nowadays my treatment is also going on. So that's why I asked for my husband. He has messaged me. So what do you think? What should we do? He also, actually, all of us, my husband and I, both of us, we have the same kind of heart, benevolent heart. So we decided, yeah, just do it. And then at that very moment, I sent that money. And the moment I sent the money, I got that satisfaction. I can't explain the happiness which I got from this. And that's why I would like to tell all of you, the purpose of the life should be only to make us happy, just by doing some good deeds, in some case for us, in some cases for others. Because when we put any action just to make others happy, then in return we also get happiness. So there is no problem, there is no doubt you can do it, not only for you but for others. Just take this step, because there's no doubt we are human being. A human being always tend to do something or the other thing just for himself. He want to get a car, he wants to get a car, he wants to get a big house, he wants to uh, live a luxurious life. There's no doubt he wants to be an affluent person. There's no doubt all of us, we have lots of dream. But what about others? अगर आप किसी को देते नहीं हो तो आपको मिलेगा कैसे? बट इफ यू आर काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु ऑलवेज ready to help others just by money, clothes, food, whatever it is, in return, that person, that God, that omnipotent person, he is going to shower that bliss. He is going to make your life full of everything later on. But first, you have to take your first step. I know that making resolution that I will do it, I will do it, I will do it, it's okay. All of us, we do it. But what about the continuity, that consistency? Can you maintain? I think 98% in 98% cases, it's totally impossible. Then why do you make resolutions? You just think wisely, and just think only about yourself, that you have to, each and every day, you have to do some actions, just to, if you're working on any particular goal, just you have to do only 3 or 4 things just to get that product, means just to make your life, make your days productive for you. Instead of setting a big goal, try to set small chunks of goals that you can easily achieve. And then later on, eventually you can see a drastic change. So if I'm a kind of person who sets that goal in the first day, on this first day of new year, like I will get a Mercedes by the end of this year. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. And then at the end of this year, when I'll not be able to achieve this dream, then I'll definitely regret. So it's better to make only small goals that you can easily achieve. I'm not talking about just related to this English language journey, it's about your personal life as well. And I think just making us happy is the top priority of all of us. We have to just share that happiness and make others happy as well as make us happy. And this act, this act has given me that happiness. And I always love to do this thing. Whenever I go anywhere, whenever I find someone who really needs something, then I always prefer to do this. But I'm a kind of person who doesn't like shooting videos while helping others. It's not good at all. So this is the thing I would like to share with you. So now it's totally up to you. What is your New Year resolution you must have made? There's no doubt. All of us, we are fond of making resolutions, especially on New Year, and we have lots of dreams that we want to fulfill. We set lots of goals that we want to accomplish, and I think 5% out of 100, only 5% can achieve, and they must achieve. And it's not possible to achieve anything if you set any goal just by having that positive mindset. Don't never ever just be like होगा नहीं होगा होगा यार. It will definitely happen. You don't need to be confused when you have doubts, when you start having doubts about your goals, whether I'll be able to do it or not. Then these things happens to you, then you are not going to achieve, because you are the one who is who itself is who himself is having that much doubts. Then what about others? So instead of having doubts, just try to be confident about you and about your actions. If you are really putting doing hard work and putting actions and efforts, then everything is possible. There's no doubt. Making resolution is not going to help you as this putting actions and working on your goals each and every day. Like if you're working on your communication skill, then just set only easy goals for you that you can easily achieve, just like reading 5 pages a day and doing half an hour conversation practice, or if you can then just increase to 1 hour, and after that then listen at least 1 hour, doing your listening practice for 1 hour, and later on writing two. You have to write only 2 pages in a single day. And one thing along or with all these practices, you have to try to think only in English. If you are a kind of person who does all these 5 practices each and every single day, then you are going to see a drastic change in the last of this year. And you can proudly say that I can speak English. The year, sorry, in the starting of the year I started my journey, and now I have achieved this much. Friends, before starting my journey of learning this language, I was kind of a person who was totally nostalgic person. I was introvert person, and I never ever felt like talking to anyone, and still I don't feel like talking to others who talk only nonsense things, because I believe it making my days productive, making my life productive, making my um on thoughts productive for me. So that's why I prefer to have conversation only with those who who is going to give me something. So this is my preference, and I don't let anyone to dominate me. It's only me. It's only my own thought who always dominate me, and I think it's not good for me. That's why sometimes it's okay to be gloomy, and it's okay sometimes to having doubts. But when we are not able to do anything, when we are suffering from anything, when we are having problems in my life, then you can tackle out all of these just by showing your resilience. It's okay. Everything is okay. We are human beings. Okay. We make mistakes. We feel embarrassed about something. If you are feeling embarrassed about anything, that's just embrace that thing that I did this and I'm gonna improve this. That's it. This is the thing that you have to do. Well, now I think I have talked a lot, and I don't want to make this video so long for you. Now it's totally up to you. Please let me know what is your New Year resolution. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.